Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from Crypto.com to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and stress-free. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Bitrue. Log into your Crypto.com app or website using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your Solana holdings. This is usually under the Assets or Portfolio tab. Next, select Solana from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's often represented by an arrow icon. Before you proceed, you'll need the wallet address from Bitrue. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to your wallet, and select the deposit option for Solana. This will generate a unique wallet address. Make sure to copy it carefully, as accuracy is crucial to avoid losing your funds. Now, back on Crypto.com, paste the Bitrue wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember to check the network. Solana transactions typically use the Sol network. Double-check everything to ensure there are no typos, then hit Confirm or Withdraw. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Bitrue and check your wallet to confirm the Solana has arrived. A quick tip: always be aware of any transaction fees involved, as they can vary between exchanges. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated on any new requirements. That's it for this guide. Transferring Solana doesn't have to be complicated, and with these steps, you're all set. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.